These websites connect you with real opportunities, direct donations, and life-changing help from wealthy donors, charity networks, and humanitarian groups. Stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe if you want more money-making and support-based videos. You ever wished a rich stranger would just help you out? No strings attached? Well, guess what? It happens every single day. Rich people quietly give away money, food, housing, and resources through websites you've probably never heard of. In this video, you'll discover 13 powerful platforms that rich donors and philanthropists use to gift poor people across the world. Watch to the end. Number 11 is a total game changer. Let's dive in. If you're struggling financially or know someone who is, don't scroll. These websites connect you with real opportunities, direct donations, and life-changing help from wealthy donors, charity networks, and humanitarian groups. Stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe if you want more money-making and support-based videos. Let's start with the first one. Modest Needs helps low-income individuals and families facing short-term crises. Rich donors use this platform to provide emergency grants for things like rent, medical bills, and utility payments. You don't need to repay anything and just meet the need requirements and apply. Benevolent is where people in need can share their personal stories, and donors pick who they want to support. You can request anything from job tools to education support. Rich givers scroll through stories and send direct help. While it's famous for fundraisers, many rich people scroll GoFundMe just to find causes they feel connected to, especially medical emergencies, children, or survival situations. A well-written story can go viral or attract one major donor. Kiva offers zero-interest microloans to people in poverty. Wealthy philanthropists often invest in small entrepreneurs globally, and many donations are recycled to help others too. It's like the rich giving you a business starter pack. Give Directly is a non-profit that sends direct cash transfers to poor families. No middlemen. Rich people, Silicon Valley tech donors, and billionaires like the simplicity and impact. If you live in an eligible area, you can receive direct money with no catch. On Reddit's r. Assistance. Real people post needs, and sometimes get surprise help from anonymous wealthy donors. Some are millionaires in disguise. If your request is honest and urgent, help often arrives when you least expect it. Wish Upon a Hero allows you to post a wish, anything from diapers to bus fare, and someone out there, often a rich good Samaritan, can grant it. It's emotional, human, and very real. 7 Cups is a mental health and emotional support site, but it also connects people to supportive communities, including wealthy volunteers who give time, coaching, and sometimes even resources to help those suffering silently. Some wealthy patrons use Patreon to support individuals in creative, personal, or even humanitarian struggles. If you have a story or message that moves hearts, rich subscribers might fund your journey monthly. AngelList Talent isn't your typical help site, but many rich angel investors use this to hire, fund, or mentor talented people who just need a break. Even if you're poor, you might land a remote job or startup deal if you put yourself out there. Omaze lets rich people donate to causes through contests, but sometimes they also gift cars, cash, or homes to entrants. Even if it's part of a draw, many winners come from low-income backgrounds. It's a donation system with surprise life upgrades. Humanity Forward, founded by Andrew Yang, pushes for universal basic income and sometimes funds cash pilot programs. Rich donors fund people in need. No strings, no repayment. Global expansion is happening. Stay alert for entry options. Private groups on Facebook like Blessings in Disguise, Buy Nothing, or Random Acts of Kindness are filled with rich donors giving quietly. Post your need authentically, and you might be shocked who helps. These websites prove that not all help comes with strings. Rich people are using their money to create impact, sometimes quietly, often generously. If even one of these helps you or someone you love, this video was worth it. Hit the like, share with someone in need, and subscribe for more real-world survival and success tips. Ready to change your life? Scroll back, take notes, and apply to every site that fits your situation. Don't wait for a miracle. Position yourself where help finds you. New videos drop weekly, so tap the bell and stay ahead. You've got this.